Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys how can we change guys phone download wallpaper in our Samsung mobile. Friends, you want to change guys your phone download wallpaper. So friend, how can you change it? Today friends I will show you guys. I will tell you guys. So before starting video friend, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, you have guys your download wallpaper and friends you want to change it. So friend, how can you change? Open your phone setting guys. After on phone setting guys, scroll it friends, click on guys your phone wallpaper guys, tap here. Friends, you can see my wallpaper guys, tap here. Friends, click on your phone download wallpaper. So friends, you can see guys your phone download wallpaper. So every download wallpaper guys you want to change guys, you can change. I will click on the dolphin guys, I will tap here. Friends, I will apply for here means change. Home and lock screen guys, tap here to change it. So friends, you can see your download wallpaper will change guys. You can see your home screen wallpaper download, and once you can see your download lock screen wallpaper, they both of wallpaper will change. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video guys. I hope friends you have understood how to change phone download wallpaper. So bye bye friends.